Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox Crash. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to go and you need to restart your PC. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the Roblox player and click on the right mouse cursor, and then you need to go into the properties, and here you need to go into the compatibility, and then you need to click on run this program in compatibility mode for, and here you need to select the Windows 8 and you need to check that box also, and you need to select this one, and then you need to click on apply. Once you've done that, you simply need to open Roblox player. So now you can see that it is going to be open. So here you can see that, and then you need to log in into your account. As you can see that I already logged in. So this is the process by which you can fix Roblox Crash. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.